Friends, today I'm going to show you how you can remove blank pages and in MS Word. So just to show that, I will open on a blank sheet. Some pasted here some text. So I need only one page here. If you can see this Word document, there are two pages here, but I don't want this page, this blank page. So to remove this blank page, I will show you two ways how to remove these blank pages. Just keep your cursor in the blank page and press on backspace like this. Yes. So blank page has been removed. So only one page. This is the one way you can remove blank page. And there is another way. I will show you that. So here in this document, I have three pages, two blank pages, and one page has been filled with some text. But I want to remove etc. two pages. So I will show you how to remove them. Just click on here home and click on show. Here you can see the show hide button. So just click on that. Just scroll down. Yes, scroll down like this. Here you can see the section break. So keep the cursor here and select it and press the delete button. So one page has been removed, and so here just double click on that show hide button symbol. Yes. So if you scroll up, you can see the here also. Just select this. Sorry. So select like that and press delete button. Yes. So totally two pages have been removed. So here the final, so you can press here again. So the symbol has been removed from the document. So that's it, guys. So like this you can remove blank pages from MS Word. For more updates, stay tuned David Webtech YouTube channel.